Okay, Jimmy, here is what I was trying to explain to you today. This would be on your cell phone, smartphone, whatever. You would be on a regular basis, multiple times a day, I would think, or every morning or evenings the night before. You would come over here, hit the microphone, and say, Luke and Grant picking up the rest of the right of way and clearing on Monday. Ben Rhodes driving semi Saturday, 3 loads down to Minerva. Brandon and Zach and Colby prepping the foundation for a pour on Monday. Dan and Ben repairing the semi trailer and cleaning the shop on Sunday, and then Monday assist with finishing concrete. So then you hit stop because you're done recording. You're going to hit submit to send it to the AI smart device that I was building today. This tells you how long it is, and it's kind of for your information. With that many people, it's going to take a while. It may take 30 seconds, so just be aware of that. Then when it's done, it's going to start depositing those over here. So kind of get a quick look at what is here now, because in a moment, those guys are all going to be added, and you'll see how it comes across. This is kind of assigning it in a crew. This is for individuals. I don't know if I have any single individuals there. But what's important to know is that I did, a Friday, a Saturday, a Sunday, and that will, now this is a feature of Google spreadsheet, but hit refresh there. So now, prepping concrete pad for Tuesday's pour, Dave, Ben, and Aaron. So 1, 2, 3, that's them. Picking up the rest of the right-of-way and clearing on Monday. So that's the 19th, it looks like. Tomorrow, the 18th, Sunday, repairing the trailer and cleaning the shop for 2 of those guys. Anyhow, that's how it works. Then we would have over here, basically imagine the rest of the spreadsheet, the rest of Airtable will have more fields that would show start time, stop time, and total hours. And then we will send this to each individual as a link for their own, as an SMS for their own task. And we'll send them a link that will open it so that all they have to do is fill in these things. You will then nightly get a summation of what happened for the day, as well as a report for any missing feedback here. So if you have 17 items for a given day and you ended up getting 15 of them back, it's going to send you a report that says, hey, Dan didn't submit for the last 2 days or whatever. That's how it works. Let me know your thoughts. Is it worth pursuing?